Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the JSON Server Fake REST API part 4. Today we are going to learn about the filtering data. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So to retrieve a single item, what we have to do, just add the ID over here. So just copy this one and go to our postman, and here just I will need to add one. So one title is hello world, so it's one is hello world. If I go with the two post, then it's the second one. Okay, done. Next, filtering data. So like suppose I want to filter what like title, but this to be a server. Currently it's server, right? JSON server. So if I go and just hit it over here, so this is basically the filtering data. So I'm filtering the title on the behalf of the server or hello world. We have the two. If I click on that, it's JSON server. If I click on that hello world, hello, so title like you can see that hello world. Okay, so this is how you can filter the data in your JSON server fake REST API. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and keep follow my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day.